This is Riley, is a German Shepherd, and Dodger is the Golden Retriever. They're probably close to the same age. And Zara is the Husky, and Friday is the Boxer, and Tink is the little wild small dog. And then Miss Mia is that old girl laying down over there.